Today, Thursday, January 22, 2026, the global news landscape is dominated by high-stakes diplomatic tensions in Davos, significant shifts in international health and space sectors, and evolving regional conflicts. Top global headlines. 1. Geopolitics and the Greenland dispute. At the World Economic Forum, WEF in Davos, US President Donald Trump's demand for immediate talks regarding the acquisition of Greenland has triggered an existential crisis within NATO. The US stance. In a 70-minute keynote speech, Trump asserted that the US possesses unstoppable force, but ruled out using military power to take the island from Denmark. He argued the acquisition is vital for international security. The European response. European Council President Antonio Costa has convened an emergency summit of all 27 EU leaders today to discuss the threat of US tariffs on countries supporting Denmark's sovereignty. France has even proposed a NATO military exercise in Greenland as a show of support. 2. US formally leaves the WHO. Effective today, January 22, 2026, the United States has officially withdrawn from the World Health Organization (WHO). This follows a one-year notice period. The move is expected to impact global programs for tuberculosis and HIV/AIDS, as the US was historically the organization's largest donor. 3. Middle East diplomacy and tensions. Putin-Abbas talks. Russian President Vladimir Putin is scheduled to meet Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas in Russia today. The discussions are expected to focus on the humanitarian crisis in the Gaza Strip and the future of bilateral ties. Trump's warning to Iran. President Trump issued a dire warning to Tehran amid escalating protests in Iran, suggesting the country could face severe consequences if the situation destabilizes further. UN facilities targeted. Israeli forces have reportedly targeted at least 2 UN facilities in Gaza, continuing a crackdown on the agency tasked with Palestinian refugee services. 4. Science and technology. Sunita Williams retires. NASA has announced the official retirement of veteran astronaut Sunita Williams, effective from the end of last month. This follows her high-profile mission, where she and Butch Wilmore were stranded on the ISS for 9 months due to Boeing Starliner technical issues. AI for Africa. The Bill Gates Foundation and OpenAI have launched Horizon 1000, a $50 million initiative aimed at integrating AI technology into 1,000 health clinics across Africa. Regional quick hits. Region. Story. Europe. Catalonia, Spain has halted commuter rail services following a major train crash in Barcelona. South Asia. India has withdrawn the families of its officials from Bangladesh, citing security concerns ahead of upcoming elections. Economy. Gold prices have hit a record high of $4,700 per ounce due to global geopolitical uncertainty. Global health. Genetic analysis has traced a recent mpox